What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed and in a few seconds I will show you how we can create this amazing zoom out effect in Capcut. First of all, add your photo. Now select your photo, go to the style, go to the AI painting. You can select autofill 1 or autofill 2. If you're not satisfied with your result, select autofill 2. So I'm going to select autofill 1 because autofill 1 is look better than the second one. We can delete the ending. And now we can go to the adjustment. We can select the sharpness, increase to all the way to 100%. Now we can export this video. Now go back, we can import this exported video. Now select your clip and we can take a freeze frame. We can increase the timeline. We can delete the first part of this video. We can select this, we can go to the style, go to the AI painting, select autofill 1. I'm going to select autofill 2 and I like this one, so I'm going to keep this one. If you does not like the both result, then you can delete this freeze frame. You can take another freeze frame and then you can apply the same effect. Now we can increase the sharpness. We can export this video. Now go back, we can import this exported video. Now we can go to the second part. Let's split this, delete this, select this, go to the freeze frame. Select the freeze frame, go to the style and we can select in AI painting autofill 2. Now we have this result, select the clip, delete the clip. Now we have 3 pictures. We can click here to add a transition, go to the camera and we can add inhale transition. So click here, select inhale transition. Now guys, we have the transition. Select your clip, go to the animation, go to the compo animation and I'm going to select zoom animation. Let's apply this animation, select the second picture, go to the animation. In compo animation, I'm going to select the zoom one again. And for the last one, go to the compo animation and we can select that same animation. And we can apply filters. So I'm going to select this filter Berlin. We can change this to 50% and let's apply this. We can increase the filter to all the way to the last part of the video. Now go to the effects and go to the video effects and in lens folder, we can select the edge glow effect. We can increase the strength to 15%. Let's apply this effect. Increase this to all the way to the last part of the video. Again, go to the video effects. Now go to the retro folder and we can select this black noise effect. Apply this one as well and increase this to all the way to the last part. So now if we play this video, as you can see guys, we have this beautiful zoom out animation. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like these, then subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next one.